What's going on, everybody? It's Bitcoin Chris checking in once again. Happy Tuesday. And what we're going to do is, of course, is jump into the Bitcoin price. We're going to jump into some tweets per usual. And I think Bitcoin's about to explode out of this bull pennant, aka bull flag, but we shall see. So, once again, make sure you hit that like, share, subscribe. Thank you if you have already liked, shared, and subscribed to any of my videos. I appreciate you guys. Right now, the Bitcoin price is at 34,556. And make sure you guys go pre-order my new book, Bitcoin Dad Fiat Dad, at bitcoindadfiatdad.com, and head over to swanbitcoin.com/Bitcoin Chris. Get 10 bucks free Bitcoin. Also, if you guys want the indicators that I use, it's going to be Market Cipher, link down below in the description on YouTube. And Bitcoin Tatted, I got no fear. All right, so let's jump right into it, guys. Let's jump right into it. Let me pull up these charts. All right, cool. All right, so right now we're on the 4-hour chart. And what I wanted to show you guys is that we got a green dot here. Let me take me down. There it is. Okay, cool. All right, so as you guys can see here, we have a green dot on the 4-hour. That was at 12 o'clock p.m. today. And since then, we've been up, going up, going up. So I think we're pretty much at the end of this bull flag. So again, the target I've already put here, 38,000, 39,000. And then we have a bunch of sell orders here at 40,000, 42, 45, 48, 52. It's the 40, 44, 48, 52,000. It's looking like the next stops for Bitcoin based on these order blocks. Let me take that off. All right, so we're looking pretty good on the 4-hour. Thank God that we got the green dot because we had the red dot, which I did say. And guess what? We came down, 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 and now we're climbing back up. So that's pretty good. Let's look at the daily chart here. Daily chart looking amazing. I'm actually using the Hakanashi candles instead of the regular candles. But what I'll do is I'll switch to the regular candles right now. We had a red dot on the daily from Thursday of last week. But money flow is still green. VWAP, crabby. RSI, stochastic RSI, looking very oversold. Let's look at the 1 week. Still good on the weekly, of course. Jump down to the 2-hour. VWAP headed down. However, money flow is starting to turn back green. RSI, stochastic RSI headed up. And let's look at the actual chart here. All right, looking like we're ready to pop. So let's look at the 1-hour. Red dot on the 1-hour, so we should be coming back down. Unfortunately, let's look at this. Money flow is coming back down. VWAP is headed back down, not good. RSI, stochastic RSI headed down, not good at all on the hourly, but that could change. Let's look at the 30-minute. VWAP headed up. Momentum is coming down. Look like it wants to turn up. RSI, stochastic RSI, looks like it wants to turn up as well. I have these auto fibs on. Let me turn that off. Invesco and Galaxy's joint spot Bitcoin ETF added to DTCC's site. The ticker for Invesco and Galaxy Spot Bitcoin BTC Exchange Traded Fund ETF BitCo BTCO has been appeared on the Depository Trust and Clearing Corporation's DTCC website. All right, that's bullish. I think we're gonna pump. Like I said, the charts are showing it. Everything is pretty much showing it. And then the news is just confirming what we already know is coming. I hope you stacked accordingly. So let me tweet this out because this is actually a pretty big deal. According to the Web Archiver, Wayback Machine, no listing under the ticker BCO is present on October 25th, meaning that the ETF has finally been added to the list sometime in the last 6 days. It's important to note that the ticker being added to the list of ETF products on the DTCC site is no means measures a guidance or approval of a given product in the future. Why would they have it on there then? A TCC spokesperson said that it's standard practice for it to add securities to the NSCC security eligibility file in preparation for the launch of a new ETF to the market. Appearing on the list is not indicative of an outcome for any outstanding regulatory or other approval process, the spokesperson added. This is a developing story and further information will be added as it comes available. Okay, so they don't want you guys FOMOing in, so they got to say that, right? Why would they post that on the website if it's not about to be? They capping. I think we're going to see Kathy Wood's arc. Oh no, we already saw the arc. So we have arc. We have Kathy Wood's arc on there. We have Invesco and Galaxy Digital joint spot Bitcoin ETF, and we have BlackRock's ETF all posted on the DTCC site. So, I think it is. What time is it? 9:35. So I think by the time tomorrow morning hits and this news gets out, I think it's going to pump the market, or it can even pump the market tonight. We shall see, especially since the indicators are showing that we could go up. So that is the 30-minute chart. Let's jump into some tweets. And before I do so, make sure you guys check out bitcoin-fiatdad.com and go pre-order my new book. You can pay in dirty fiat or pay in Bitcoin. Make sure you guys go check that out. Make sure you guys go pre-order. Thank you so much for all that has already pre-ordered. So we're going to jump into some tweets real quick. $691 billion AB Bernstein analyst says that the approval of the spot Bitcoin ETF seems imminent. Okay, this we know. We try to tell you, but you were too greedy to listen. Bitcoin maxis. Remove your money from the legacy system while you still can. The doors are closing. Oh yeah, happy Bitcoin white paper day. Bitcoin is 15 years old. All right, cool. Consumers are about to run out of their excess savings from the pandemic, according to JP Morgan. And this video is pretty crazy, so I wanted to show you guys this. Okay, so I tried 3 different times to play this back, but the audio is acting crazy, so I apologize for that. Just go down my timeline and you'll be able to watch the videos, basically showing you how much inflation has, gone up in Argentina. And they had the most expensive steak, they had salmon, they had dinner, they had 2 drinks, and it was $26, and this is how much fiat they had to. Okay, so I tried 3 different times to play this back, but so So yeah, that's that. Let's jump into the next tweet. All right, here it is. It's the tweet from Max Kaiser back in 2013 when Bitcoin was 20 cents. Nobody believed that it could trade at $200. At $200, nobody can believe it can trade. It can get to $20,000. A few, however. So early. I did want to go over this as well real quick. No power. Senator Cynthia Lumens, trying to switch sides. So let's go back. Let me review this. All right, so everybody went in on her for, she made a report basically saying that, crypto assets account for illicit, you know, financing and doing illicit and evil activities, when in actuality it's US dollar that finances illicit activities. So she's trying to walk back what she was talking about, right? And now, you got old people trying to dictate and make laws about things that they don't know. And so I guess she got her ass chewed out, right? She got chewed up. Everybody was, coming at her, and now she wants to try to switch sides. Don't switch sides now. All right. So it's just funny because these senators act like they're pro freedom, but they pretty much try to take away our freedoms, unfortunately. So that's the way the cookie crumbles. If you guys haven't already, make sure you follow British Auto, Max Kaiser. I'm going to do another poll. Elizabeth Warren finally admits what we've known for months. They want to make self-custody a crime. Not going to happen. And if they do, we outie. We out the country. We sliding on their we sliding out. We out like trout, no doubt. The 40-year global central bank-led fiat money Ponzi scheme ended in February 2022 with Russia and the Israeli conflict. Bitcoin is the only lifeboat that you have. So I think that's going to be it for today's video. Bitcoin is at, we're coming down a little bit. 34.5. I think we can come back down to 34.2 before hitting up to 34.7 and breaking out. So we'll see how that goes. Make sure you hit that like, share, subscribe. That's it for today's video. I think Bitcoin is going to break out sooner than later. We'll see. For 1 hour red dot, not good, but the 4 hour green dot, very good. Money flow super green, and we're right in this bull pennant. So I think around Thursday should be the day. And if not, we'll be all right. All right, so with that being said, make sure you guys hit that like, share, subscribe. Head over to swanbitcoin.com/Bitcoin Chris. Get $10 free Bitcoin. Make sure you head over to bitcoin.fiatdad.com if you guys are interested in trading and want to use Market Cipher. That is down in the description below. Let me just go to one of my videos. All right, so if you want to trade, I trade on Big X. Don't over leverage, be careful. This is for the market cipher, those indicators that you're seeing me use. So this is the link for that. Let's see, the sunexchange.com. I went over that in a couple different videos where I talk about how you can invest in solar panels and earn Bitcoin each month. I joined them in 2019 or 2018, one of them. And pretty much it. All right, so with that being said, you guys hit that like, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stack your Bitcoin and chill. And with that being said, Bitcoin Chris checking out. Peace.